Hello, how are we doing? Just going to take you behind the scenes a little bit today as I'm filming a bit of an odyssey about the River Nene, and I'm going to show you the equipment that I'm using most of the time for doing this. So today I'm filming this from the Osmo 360 camera, DJI Osmo 360, and I'm going to film the 360 so you can see how that's set up using the DJI Action 4. So as you can see, the Osmo 360 is set up on a tripod. And that will literally give me a 360 view. You'll have to excuse the state of my car, it needs a wash. So there we are, and as you can see from the 360, I'm using the Action 4. Today, as I do most days when I'm out with the drone, I'm using the DJI Air 3S. This is my favourite drone. It weighs 724 grams, but it comes into the latest category where I can fly it closer to people and buildings as per previously with just the mini drones. It's a great drone. It's got two cameras, the 24mm and the 70mm. So it's got two cameras. The 24mm is at the bottom and the 70mm is a zoom, and that's at the top, and that's really useful. So I've taken a look at the weather. It's dullish and grayer inland, but I'm going to be flying out just down the river towards the sea initially, and for that I've selected the ND filter 32, which is a graduated filter, so it accounts for the different iris sizes of the two lenses to give me equal exposure. So let's have a look. I'll just put my Action 4 away, and then we'll have a look with the drone. Switch it on. I've checked the drone over. I've checked all the propellers. I'm running the master air screw propellers on it at the moment, and they seem to be pretty good. Checked it all over. Got a full battery. Put that down there. I will just put the Action 4 away, like I said. Switch the controller on. I use the DJI RC2 controller. I've got a sunshade on it just to stop the glare, and this is the controller with the inbuilt screen. Pretty good controller. It's not the highest nit rate, but it's pretty clear. So just waiting for it to fire up, which it has. So the way I fly, the way I take off normally is I push the takeoff once I've got enough satellites, which I have. I've got 26 satellites showing, and then I push the button on the back to do the auto takeoff. Up she goes. I then take it up to about 10 metres and let it sit there for a minute to make sure it's got its home point target properly. And once it has, we're away. That's all set. Now bringing the drone home. And it should, with any luck, land itself precisely on the landing mat. Famous last words and all that. Let's wait and see. Here she comes. That's pretty good. Stop recording.